Welcome back to another XDP unboxing video. Today, we're going to dive into the SSBC-USA B8 Barbarian Big Brake Kit. Before we crack open the boxes, here's a quick backstory on the brand. SSBC-USA was founded in 2019 after acquiring the SSBC brand from the now defunct Stainless Steel Brake Corporation. Since then, they've built a new operation just outside of Buffalo, New York, and they've quickly grown into a top-tier manufacturer of performance brake systems and components for your truck. SSBC-USA is all about quality, innovation, and performance. They're committed to giving drivers the brakes they deserve, strong, reliable, and built to last. So what are we looking at today? This is the B8 Barbarian Big Brake Kit, built specifically for 3/4 and 1-ton trucks from Ford, GM, and Dodge Ram. You can get these kits for both front and rear axles, and they come in two different versions: the Caliper Upgrade Kit, which includes just the calipers, and the Big Brake Upgrade Kit, which includes calipers plus performance dimple-drilled and slotted rotors. Let's talk about these calipers. They're 100% made in the USA, right at SSBC-USA's Buffalo facility. Each caliper features 8 heavy-duty stainless steel pistons, dual seals for each piston, one for pressure and one for dust. They include high-friction, low-dust brake pads, 4 full-size stainless steel bleeders per caliper. Each caliper also has 7 bridge bolts holding them together for maximum stiffness, and they're up to 50% lighter than the OEM calipers. These calipers are available in clear anodized finish as well as black or red powder coat finish options, and each caliper comes engraved with the SSBC-USA logo. Now, if you go with the Big Brake Upgrade Kit, you'll also get brake rotors to go with your new calipers. These are dimple drilled, slotted, and custom milled in-house at SSBC-USA's facility in New York. These rotors are unidirectional, which means they're designed to work with the rotation of the wheel to clear out brake dust and debris. The dimple drilling gives that aggressive drilled look without compromising on the strength or integrity of the rotor, while the curved slotting helps with heat dissipation. One of the best parts of these kits? Installation is straightforward. No brackets, spacers, or shims needed. Here's all you do. Disconnect your OEM brake lines, remove the OEM calipers, bolt on the new B8 Barbarian calipers using the same bolts, bleed the system, and you're good to go. So there you have it. The B8 Barbarian Big Brake Kit. Whether you're upgrading for performance, style, or both, the SSBC-USA Brake Kit delivers premium braking and craftsmanship. To learn more about these kits or to get one for your truck, head over to XDP today.